Hi guys! In previous section we learned about data-driven testing framework. Today we are starting section number 2, cross-browser testing. In this section we will talk about why we need to do cross-browsing testing, how to better organize creating of driver, how to execute same test in different browsers and run tests in parallel. Today, in this video, we will learn about the value of cross-browser testing. Most of you should know what is cross-browser testing is and why it's important. Cross-browser testing is the process of comparing web applications' functionality and design across multiple web browsers and platforms to ensure consistent behavior and functionality. Not all web browsers were created equal. Different browsers may display websites differently. Each browser vendor has a different vision as to how their browser should work and what it should support. When it comes to web application, it is important to make sure that it is fully functional and everyone visiting the site gets a good experience no matter what device or browser they are using. That's why we need cross-browser testing, to make sure the web app looks, feels and functions similarly in all web browsers and operational systems. And now it is more important than ever before. Currently we are running all our tests in Chrome driver. Let's add IE and Firefox and execute our test in these two browsers. Before being able to run tests, let's download IE and Gecko drivers. Even though I'm using 64-bit Windows, I need to use 34-bit Windows IE driver. Currently, at the time of recording this course, there is a problem with 64-bit Windows IE driver server version 3.9.0. To run tests in Firefox on Selenium 3, we need to download Mozilla Gecko driver from the same page. So let's unarchive our downloaded drivers and put them in Source Main Resources folder. Also right-click Refresh and right-click on Project, select Maven, Update Project. Let's open Base Test and change our setup to Start IE instead of Chrome. Base Test, and here let's comment out Chrome and let's start IE driver. First of all, we need to put IE driver here instead of Chrome driver, change the path to IE driver executable file, and here replace drivers equals new Chrome driver with drivers equals new Internet Explorer driver. And hover over, import Internet Explorer driver from org OpenQA Selenium IE. Let's open first test XML file and change it to include just first test. When we run Internet Explorer first time, we may get Windows security alert similar to this one you see on the screen. Just click Allow Access to run tests. So let's run this test. Right click on first test, run as test in G Suite. Okay, we see starting IE. And here was IE driver. As we see, test passed, and let's see the console. You see, started Internet Explorer driver server here, and it says that I have 32-bit version of it. Let's go to base test again and change the driver to Firefox. So we are setting up Gecko driver property, the path to Gecko driver executable file, and driver equals new Firefox driver. Let's import Firefox driver, let's save, and let's run our first test again and see if it's gonna execute in the Firefox. Okay, test passed, and in the console, so it says starting IE here, but that's just because we have this comment here, and the browser property which we are not using right now, but we see that Selenium started Gecko driver, the version of our Gecko driver, and our test was executed in Firefox.